So I finally finished my fucking car. My edges done sweated out. Do y'all see this shit, bro? Bitch is hot. A bitch is tired. Look at my necklace. That's how you know a bitch been working hard. Hold on. I'm all sweaty and stuff. I'm gonna have to spray some spray. I should about my deodorant, some wipes or something crazy because that just sweated me out. Okay, so my GoPro so-called SD card is full. So now I'm about to head to Walmart because I need to go get, like I said, a bath mat, well, a new seat, if I can find a new like bath decor that I like, that I think I would like for our bathroom. And then I need to find a USB cord, a USB port, and then another SIM card. So yeah, that's the goal today. Hopefully I get everything done today. Car wash is marked off my list. I got that done. The only thing I gotta finish is, let me sit y'all right here real quick. The only thing I gotta finish is I gotta put this up here. This is Bay Breeze, Bayside Breeze. Man, it smells so good. I should just go ahead and put both of them bitches up here. I need to get me some more blunt spray too. I usually use one and use it every time I wash and clean my car. That way I ain't gotta use two and then I take that down, you know, so I usually put the other one in there. And we're gonna put this in this bag because I don't feel like getting out no more. I feel like I did pretty good. Ooh, that smell kicking in fast. Alright, y'all, so now, since I'm recording on my phone, I need to hurry up and go and get, or go ahead and head to Walmart. But before we do that, the picture space. Bitch. That gave me a little life. You feel me? Alright, so now we about to head to Walmart, but I'm recording on my phone, so I can't play music and record on my phone at the same time, so I'm just get back with y'all. Ooh, look how sweaty I am. I'm just get back with y'all, period. Alright, y'all, so finally made it to Walmart, but I'm not gonna record going in. My window's still down. Let me do a boob check, because my nipples will come out. Alright, so I'm not gonna record while I'm going in because my phone is on 20%. As fucking always, the bitch stay going dead. And then I gotta get a SIM card for my camera, so I have nothing to record on as of right now. So yeah, I'm gonna get back with y'all when I'm out. But first, let me show y'all the fit check. Period. Boo. I got the forces on. They got my favorite color on the side, then I had to bring in the color with the bow. Period. Cool. Got the $sign on the top. So yeah, I'm gonna get back with y'all. I'm gonna go here real quick because when the bitch walked in, a girl turned around, I guess that I went to school with, and was like, "You went to Lovejoy, didn't you?" Here, boo, that's how you know your girl go, "Ooh, this is cute." That's how you know your girl gonna be so like big. Here, boo. Alright, I'm gonna get back with y'all. Right. It took me forever just to set this bitch up, but let me show y'all what I got real quick, and then I'm about to head back to the house. So I did find one that I like, and where is it? What's that here? I did find one that I like. This is giving very much grown, neutral. It says faith and love on it everywhere, and then the colors, I love it. The colors, because I was actually thinking about doing my car in this teal looking color too. I don't know, I just like that color. And then I got this for the toilet seat to bring out, you know, the neutral in it. And then let me put this back to bring the neutral in it. Oh, and I got this, y'all, for my GoPro thing to sit up on my dashboard. Now your bitch is back in business. About to start doing pranks in the motherfucking car. Whoop-de-whoop-de motherfucking whoop. Very cool. And then I got this rug, which I should have got 2 of these rugs because I always put a rug in front of the tub in the toilet because it's so big it covers both of them, and then one in front of the sink. I did have a dark brown one, but when I was talking to the lady at the self-checkout thing, and she was just like, I should do the teal. Like, she was like, you should do the teal one is so pretty to bring out that color. So I was like, yeah, it do actually look right. So that's why it's kind of open. So because she was like, come here, let me open it for you and show you, like, and then she was like, put it towards the teal. So I was in the mix of bringing out that dark brown and then teal and then the nude. But she was like, do the teal, bring out the color. And then I was already at checkout, and I didn't feel like walking back over to the rug aisle to get another one. So I was like, I'll come back another time and get the second rug once I see how it's put together with all this or whatever like that. So yeah, that's most definitely a mother freaking vibe. Finally about to start in the bathroom. I mean, and we kind of started on the living room a little bit. We just got to get a rug. Matt had bought yesterday. He came home early from work yesterday. He had bought a TV stand thing for the house, because if y'all know, if y'all follow me on social media, we had like a chair right there for his game until we actually found one that we liked. And since he worked at Walmart, he just, I guess, found one that he liked, which he got it in black, which is not cute because, I mean, which is cute still with the scenery. And then he ended up putting LED lights behind the TV and then got some cute little candles and stuff. I'm gonna show y'all when I get home, because when I came home from work, I was like, oh, that's so cute, because I bitch love getting new decoration stuff for the house, because I did say I'm about to start decorating, so I'm getting pieces and pieces, bits by bits, because if I focus on too much at one time, I'm gonna be stressed the fuck out. So yeah, but that's the vibe. And now we're headed back to the house. I got my car wash today, and I got me my GoPro thing that I said I needed. They didn't have an SD card in there. I should have got the one that you can hook up to your laptop, and that you can hook up to your phone for the storage to free up some space, because I really do need that. Like, I really, really do need that. But I was like, is that going to be really, because I need the one that fits the GoPro thing, because all my videos is on the GoPro thing. So what I'm going to have to do is go ahead and edit the video that I'm recording before this video, and then go ahead and delete that, and then, you know, work on this video. So I got to take it a step at a time. But I'm so excited. I got my thing. Matter of fact, let me put that bitch up now. I ain't in a rush to go home. And then I'm going to go home and clean up a little bit. I don't know if I'm going to vlog that. I might show y'all the before and after of the bathroom and stuff. They come with the little sticky pieces. So this is what I need. I had 2 of them, but I don't know where the other one had went. So I need to get me like a bag for my GoPro stuff, so I can keep it in the car, or just take it with me wherever I go, so I won't have to keep taking all this stuff everywhere. You know what I'm saying? So as of right now, I'm just going to stick everything. I'm gonna throw everything in here until I get me a bag. That's another thing I gotta put on my list. So when this sticky thing go out, I got another one, so I'm gonna put that in there. Put my purse over there. Let me take this out. Actually, why did I put that in there? I need this. And then you sit on your dashboard. Make sure it's the right way. I put it up there. And y'all, it'd be hard to come off too. Yep, okay, that's the right way. Once you stick it on there and try to take it off and remove it, it'd be so hard. Oh, I gotta go put gas in the car. I need to go get my credit card from my mom so I can use it for that. Gas for that and start paying on it. Motherfucker, where do I want to put it? Period pull. Now I gotta test it out. I gotta make a snap boomerang or whatever the fuck, because baby, a bitch is back in business. Car pranks is most definitely coming soon. Then y'all, let me tell you, when I press record, y'all won't even know it's recording because it's covered up. Feel what the fuck I'm saying? It's covered the fuck up. But they smart with it. So some bangers about to be coming. Y'all comment below on what I should do. I'm geeked. Ah, look at this. Period. Yes, hunty. Yes. Car clean. I got my bathroom stuff. We got the GoPro back in action. Like, who don't know, baby? Like, it's giving very much YouTuber. It's giving very much them vibes. Period. Pool. Look at my edges. I should have bought my edge controller, my edge brush, because baby, that clean out this damn car. Puff them bitches up. Anyway, damn, I wish I'm about to switch to the GoPro, but my storage fucking full. So I'm gonna get back with y'all when I get back to the house because that's where I'm headed now. So yeah, peace out. Alright, y'all, so the last clip y'all seen, I think, was me showing y'all how the bathroom look. And then after that, I ended up feeling sick because I ain't eating nothing all day, so I had to make me a sandwich. And I ended up laying down, taking a nap, so I'm just not waking back up and kind of like straightening back up. And I couldn't really get on here to explain everything out of everything because Matt was playing music and I didn't want too much music playing in the background so I can get copyrighted. Because when I edit, I'm trying to, you know, trim out as much as possible. But I'm back now and I'm actually about to vacuum my room and Pear's room and just straighten up a little bit, and then yeah, go ahead and get the rest of this stuff done. But I guess I came back on here to end this video. Period. Boom. So like I said, we're getting its and bits and pieces of stuff each and every day, day by day, for the house, to make this house, the apartment, come together like I wanted to. I need to go back to Walmart to get that other rug, only because I feel like walking back there at checkout. And then let me show y'all this. So here, see, y'all done seen the bathroom, and then I gotta get another rug from right here. I'm gonna get that same color, and then probably like, you know, the sink stuff, but the sink stuff gonna be in that color, and then like neat little stuff. So, and then this right here, I'm gonna get something to organize this, but this ain't gonna be here for too long. So, cause this looks so nasty. And so yeah, that's it for this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, go and tell a friend, turn that bell, post notification on, so you can be notified whenever your girl posts another video. I need to make me a list because I need to get some more carpet freshener. I need to get some more tissue. Let me go let this sit in here. Let's do something in Paris room also. So I can let this smell sit and marinate on a bitch. Okay, so I need to put on my list. Yeah, carpet freshener and some more tissue. So yeah, if y'all enjoyed this video, I'm a bitch cleaning out her car and going into Walmart and stuff. Slight little vlog. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll be back posting. For real, for real. Anyway, your girl is out. Like I always say, she got cash, small, chasing the motherfucking bag, and your girl is out.